What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at something a lot of players have been asking about: how Counter-Strike 2 performs on the RX 6400 compared to the RTX 3050 OEM. And after checking multiple reviews and running tests, the difference between these two GPUs is clearer than you might expect. Let's start with the RX 6400. Yes, it can run CS2, and in quieter moments it feels fine, but once the action picks up, the limitations show. You'll see dips during firefights, uneven frame times, and those small stutters that throw off your aim. A lot of reviewers point out the same thing. The RX 6400 delivers playable FPS, but the experience isn't consistently smooth, and in a competitive shooter, that matters a lot. Now, switching over to the RTX 3050 OEM, things improve noticeably. Across different benchmarks online, the 3050 OEM delivers higher averages, better 1% lows, and a much more stable feel overall. Even though it's not a high-end card, it has more bandwidth, more cores, and more headroom to handle CS2's updated engine without struggling. And that's really the key difference. The RX 6400 is built as an entry-level GPU, low power, low cost, and not designed for fast-paced esports titles. The RTX 3050 OEM, even in its OEM form, has enough performance to keep the game smooth when smokes, flashes, and multiple players are on screen at the same time. If you're a casual player, the RX 6400 might still be enough. You can jump into matches, warm up, and have fun without too many issues. But if you care about consistency, if you want stable frame times, or if you're trying to climb ranks, the RTX 3050 OEM gives you a noticeably better experience. And that's what most reviewers highlight. It's not just about hitting a high FPS number, it's about maintaining it. It's about avoiding those sudden drops that break your momentum. It's about having a game that feels responsive and predictable from round to round. So, is upgrading worth it? If you're coming from an RX 6400 and you want the best possible CS2 experience, the upgrade to a 3050 OEM makes a real difference. You're not just getting more frames, you're getting smoother gameplay, better consistency, and a competitive edge you can actually feel. But that's my take. What about you? Have you tested these GPUs yourself? Did you notice the same difference in smoothness and stability? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.